Thursday morning, I'm back at the Sycuan casino. Today I'm gonna play a qualifier for a Mid-State Poker Tour main event. Main event is 1100. I have no desire to donate 1100, but qualifier is 265. I came here last night, got a permit from the security to park on a parking and stay till Saturday. Gonna play this tournament based on the winning from last night. I went to poker room, said I'm gonna play cash game, and my goal was to win 265. I got like 310, 20, something like that. So I consider this a free roll. Wish me good luck on a felt. And it's down underground, 2 escalators down. There's a sign, welcome, MSPT. So it's a big room. So I registered 260 bucks, and I asked yesterday, they had like 90 players at the satellite. 5% go in the main game, so that is like about 20 people. We'll see how many players we have today, but minimum 15 to 20 going in day 1. Sunday it continues, day 2. I wish I can make this one.
All right. Look, that looked like a Minnesota deity. What deity was it? 100 with a 100 big blind ante.
Break in tournament. Update. Nothing. We started with 15,000 chips. I won only one hand in 4 levels. I had like only 3 playable hands, pocket 7s, pocket deuces. That's all for 4 levels, which is 80 minutes. Down to 6,600 chips, and on the way out, my next move is 10 big blinds and all in. Look at this nice Sycuan casino pool area. Really nice, pretty. All around.
I'll be your dealer here for the next little
Starting after the break.
Good, very nice. Well, like I said, I hope you guys have
10 big blinds, all in area. Break number 2, completely different story. From the break after 4 levels, now it's after 8 levels. I was down like to 5,000, down to 3,000, got pocket aces, doubled up.
Finally got your hand.
Sure. I have 50,000, which is more than average. There's twice more than average and more. There's 24 players left. 12 go to main event. So now I have just to manage my chips, and blinds are really high, 1,500. So my 50,000 is 30 some blinds. There's a lot of low stacks. This is not gonna last long. And got certificate for the main event tomorrow, $1,100. This was painful event. I have to tell you everything about it. All right, so you see the happy face I accomplished my goal, qualified for the main event. $265 buying into today's tournament. There was 59 players, 12 seats awarded to main game, and 12th player got like almost $700. Started at 10 o'clock, and I have to tell you, the players, I mean, just regular, like tourist type of people, you know, recreational, and the big shark, the Bruce between them. No. Can you believe, and you can follow here, you see this red line on the graph from the beginning? That is first 4 levels. I made 3 entries for 3 hands that I lost, and for the rest of the time, 4 levels times 20 minutes, that is 80 minutes, almost hour and a half, I didn't have a playable hand. I was getting pain and annoyed, blinds are rising, so we go on a break, and after break we come back, the dealer changes. Comes a dealer that I recognize from Venetian, he also lives in Las Vegas, came here just for a job, and give me several good hands. So first I get, after all that whining and going down from 15,000 to I think 3,000 or some chips, 3,600 or something, I go all in with pocket aces, first win. Really soon I have 8-3 and I'm in a big blind, and I don't know what got into me. There were like 2 spades on a flop, turn comes 9 of spades, I think that I have 9, I don't, I make a bet, guy folds, I pick up a nice pot. When I look at my hand, I have 8-3. Look, I said, this is crazy, but it worked. That was the sign that suddenly everything turning around and going my way. So after suffering for 80 minutes, now I just cannot lose a hand, even with bullshit hand like 8-3, and even not knowing what I have. I'm up to 16,800 in chips in like 10 minutes. From 3,600, things are going my way. Comes a hand, pocket jacks. We managed to go all in. I win against ace jack. I have 22,000. Then I get, again, pocket aces. The hands we all like, but we like also to hate. A player in front of me goes all in for some 15,000 something. Guy on my right, thinking, and he folds. I was hoping he's calling, but he later said he folded pocket nines. I have about 18,000 or so I go all in. The old guy on my left, 2 seats on my left, he asked, you went all in? Helicopter, what the fuck is going on? Hello? The old guy finally decides to fold, and he shows mucking ace king. I said, where am I? This is not Kansas anymore. Pocket nines, ace king folding on 15,000 when the blinds are about, I even don't remember, but probably around 1,000. Basically, I win that pot versus king 5. The other guy was desperate. And I have 39,000. Average stack is 27,000, so I'm above average. Couple hands down, I have pocket sevens. I raise, somebody goes all in, the difference is small. I had to call, pick up another few thousand. I'm up to 49,000. And I steal blinds one round, and I have 50,500, and that is another break, another 4 levels. So look at the difference between this first levels, absolutely nothing, and then next 4 levels I build up from 3,000 up to 50,000. Well, we go on a break. I record a little review, and I was too much happy, so then we come from the break. First hand, I have in a big blind, queen deuce, there was no raise. Flop is queen jack deuce. Small blind, checks, I bet couple blinds, he calls, turn is jack, board paired, I'm counterfeited, or he has a jack, he checks, I check, the river is 9, he bets a couple thousand, I call, he shows queen 10, kicker plays, my deuce is irrelevant. Then, immediately, next hand, first 2 hands, this is first 2 hands. I have ace king, I'm in a small blind, comes back to me, I make it 10,000. There was a guy with low stack, he calls 10,000 because he was in for blinds, at that moment probably 3,000. He calls 10, but he's left behind only 5,000. I'm wondering why did he go all in? It's all in or fold, there's nothing calling. Flop is ace, king, 5, 2 hearts. I bet he calls with his 5,000. He has queen, 8 of hearts. River is hard, he doubles up. So first 2 hands after the freaking break, I flop 2 pair and I lose both of those. Do you see how it's going? And where is it going? I keep losing blinds 2 or 3 rounds, and I go down to 11,000. From 50,000 to 11,000, hardly surviving, have less than 10 big blinds, and again, after 4 levels, we go on break. We come from a break, and you can see here on the graph, green line, I start winning all the way up. So I have king jack versus pocket eights, double up there, 19 players left, 12 are paid, 11 go to main event for $1,100, and 12th place gets something like $680 or something close to 700. I have 17K. I started with 50 before previous break. Then I have ace queen, the girl on my right tries to steal blinds with jack 4, I have ace queen of spades, now, take her chips, she hardly barely left with few thousand. I have pocket 3s, I raise, the guy left of me goes all in with king queen, I take him out, pocket 3s hold. Then 5s, and take another girl out with king 10, and I'm up to 77,000. So look at this. This is like, and this is now level 13. So we had the first 4 levels where I didn't win a hand, then 4 levels of winning absolutely every hand, then another 4 levels of losing absolutely every hand, and now doing good. It was just now a situation where we are waiting for people to fall off short stacks. Comes to 12 players. We have to see who's going to be 12th. The rest are going in the main event. But 2 seats on my right, they brought a guy from a different table. And he had some significant number of chips. He started raising like crazy. And I have at one moment ace queen. There is 12 of us left. We just have to wait for low stack to bust out. This guy is making blinds are high. it was 4 or 5,000. He's making it 15, 20 pre-flop every, that's 4 or 5 blinds, that's okay. But unnecessary, he has enough chips. It's not the goal there to accumulate chips. I have ace queen, he raised 15,000, big blind is 5, I was in a big blind, comes to him on a button, he goes 15. I told him, what do you try to prove here? I call his raise, I could go all in, but not in that moment. This is like on a bubble. There's no need. I understand in a tournament when you're going to be first, second, third, you want to accumulate chips, so abuse the bubble situation, you know, the players that are folding just to survive. This doesn't matter, are you first or 11th? The price is the same, $1,100 main event. I called his raise and flop was ace high, 8 high, I check, he goes 25,000, I fold my ace queen. Well, what for? Pretty soon, somebody bust out, 11 of us got the certificate. These ups and downs of tournaments are so psychologically heavy that I cannot take it. I start hating the dealer, I start hating myself. I want to burn the cards. I don't want to be there at the table. And then starts getting, and I know, it's just a moment of waiting for the right time when I'm gonna start winning, like this graph shows. But those periods where I go from 15 to 3,000, then I go up to 50, and from that I go down to 6 in order to get up back to 77. That's not normal. That's not normal. That's gonna damage my brain. Tomorrow I'm playing main event. Wish me good luck. So I'm here at a poker tournament and gentleman comes.
Eric Magayan, Mags.
Okay, and he said,
I recognize you.
so you live here?
I'm from Chula Vista, yes.
Oh,
Sir.
Chula Vista.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I played once down, what is it?
7 Mile.
7 Mile, yeah. Only once, but there's also 2 people at the table. Oh, there's Mr. Vegas.
Yeah.
So you watch videos?
I do.
What's
yes.
your opinion?
I like them. I dig them. Yeah. I think they're pretty cool.
Well, I'm just more for fun than than something technical.
Right.
Poker, so
Right.
just my traveling and fun. So you played the tournament?
I'm gonna play at 3 o'clock. Yeah.
I have a ticket I won yesterday, but I was thinking play today, but maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I woke up this morning and I said I don't want to play.
No.
Somehow my nerves from yesterday.
But you came here anyways because you might.
Well, it's So I'm now deciding. So,
Well, good luck.
yeah.
And, hey, again,
Okay.
it was
Good luck
meeting
to you,
sir.
and
Yes,
thanks
sir.
for watching
All right.
videos.
All right, guys.
Yep.